Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a detailed review of the Freefly Systems ASTRO MAX, an industrial-grade drone built for professionals across fields like cinematography, surveying, and inspection. Known for its precision engineering, robust build, and adaptable payload capabilities, this drone is a powerhouse for demanding tasks. Let's get into every detail about its design, features, and performance. Design and build quality. The ASTRO MAX stands out with its practical and durable construction, ready to handle challenging tasks and tough environments. Weight, 3,095 grams, 3.1 kilograms, without payload. Dimensions, compact yet efficient design with foldable arms for portability. Build materials, high-quality composite materials for a lightweight yet durable frame. Weather resistance, engineered to function in diverse environmental conditions. Its modular design ensures easy transport, while its robust build provides reliability during intensive operations. Payload and compatibility. The ASTRO MAX is designed for versatility, offering support for a wide range of professional payloads. Payload capacity, up to 15.88 kilograms, 35 pounds. Mounting system, features Freefly's Smart Dovetail system for quick, secure payload attachment. Flexibility. Open payload interface specifications allow compatibility with custom sensors and tools. This flexibility makes the ASTRO MAX ideal for cinematography, inspection, and data collection. Performance. The ASTRO MAX ensures high performance and precision for critical applications. Flight time. Up to 28 minutes with a standard payload. Propellers. Efficient 21-inch props for stable and smooth operation. Stability, advanced motor drive systems with optimized control algorithms for greater precision. Noise levels, operates with a low noise footprint for discrete usage. The smooth, reliable operation makes this drone perfect for complex environments and high-value operations. Battery and power. The ASTRO MAX is powered by state-of-the-art battery technology, ensuring reliability during extended missions. Battery type, Freefly SL8 Air batteries. Flight capability, can remain operational on a single battery in the event of a pack failure. Charging options, equipped with USB-C PD compatibility for charging accessories. Longevity, guaranteed for up to 500 cycles. Diagnostics, features an OLED screen for real-time battery diagnostics. These batteries provide confidence for industrial missions requiring consistency and redundancy. Camera quality and payload integration. While the ASTRO MAX itself does not include an onboard camera, it is compatible with a variety of high-performance cameras and sensors. Cinematography, compatible with RED, ARRI, and Sony cameras for stunning aerial footage. Industrial sensors, supports LiDAR and thermal cameras for surveying, inspection, and mapping. Easy configuration, Smart Dovetail mount ensures fast payload integration and swap capabilities. This versatility makes it a go-to choice for professionals across industries. Connectivity and control. The ASTRO MAX features advanced connectivity and control options. Controller. Freefly Pilot Pro controller featuring a 2.4 GHz radio system. GPS, equipped with RTK GPS for precise real-time positioning. Cloud integration. LTE modem available, US only, for real-time data transmission. Software, compatible with Auterion OS for comprehensive mission planning and fleet management. These options enable seamless operation and integration into industrial workflows. AI features. The ASTRO MAX incorporates AI-driven technology to enhance its functionality and efficiency. Autonomous flight modes, intelligent flight planning for hands-free operations. Obstacle avoidance. AI-powered sensors detect and navigate around obstacles in real time. Machine learning algorithms, optimize flight paths based on past missions for improved efficiency. AI-assisted stabilization, ensures steady performance even in challenging conditions. These smart features streamline workflow automation and boost overall drone performance. User experience. The ASTRO MAX is designed with professionals in mind, ensuring ease of use and reliability. Ease of setup, minimal assembly required, with clear instructions for quick deployment. Portability, comes with a compact travel case with a telescoping handle and wheels for easy transport. Durability, engineered to withstand tough environments and handle demanding tasks. Maintenance, includes spare parts kit for on-site repairs and continued uptime. Its focus on simplicity and efficiency ensures that users can operate it effectively without delays or technical hassles. Price and value. The Freefly Systems ASTRO MAX offers premium features at a professional price point. Standard version, approximately $20,000 USD. NDAA Blue compliant version, approximately $26,000. While this is a substantial investment, its industrial-grade durability, adaptability, and performance justify the cost for professionals in need of a high-end solution. Conclusion. The Freefly Systems ASTRO MAX is a standout platform for industrial and professional applications, offering precision, flexibility, and reliability. From smooth flights and modular payload options to advanced connectivity and safety features, this drone is built to excel in the most demanding scenarios. Whether you're working in cinematography, mapping, or inspection, the ASTRO MAX delivers on all fronts. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.